Testing, testing. Testing, 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 my friends. How are you? Okay, guys, I'm back again. Nice, nice, nice. I'm back again. Okay, there's some issue with the live streaming just now, but it seems like it's all good now. Okay, let's scan through all the instruments. Okay, I have to update my group, just telling them that okay, I might be buying BDA, but there's earnings tomorrow after it close. I might be buying the NVIDIA, but this market so low to risk. If you want to follow, it's speculation and market, and NVIDIA can move in either direction at least 10%. Okay, hello my friends. I'm just not sorry if you're on TikTok live stream. I think my program, there's some issue, so it keeps saying reconnecting, and I shut down everything, and right now we are back again. Yeah, are you guys looking at any interesting stuff today? Okay, Microsoft has a little bit of spike up. Google looks just amazing. It's consolidating. Meta it broke out of this trend line during pre-market sessions. So right now, it's coming down a little, but I'm actually quite interested. I'm actually interested to buy Meta up. Yeah, especially last week, Donald Trump announced 50% tariff on Europe, right? Or Euro. After that, he changed his mind. He's going to pause it again until the 9th of July. And from there, we'll know the final results. Yeah, so our Mr. Roti Prata flip Prata again. And when he announced the news, the market tanked. When he paused it, the market went up again over the weekend. So we have a spike up. Hello, Butter Cookie. Thank you for the like. Nice to see you again. Okay, right now, I bought AMD. So I bought a 113 just now with a stop loss at 10. Is it 109? 109.5. 109.5. Is it 109.5? Let me check. Where's my stop loss for? Where's my AMD? AMD, okay, let me see. Oh yes, correct. I put it at 110 for my AMD stop loss. So right now in a little bit of profit, but nothing amazing. Yeah, just now he went to retest the trend line, so I went to buy it. Right now, just waiting. I'm actually looking for at a few instruments. But I think recently there's a bit of changes to this Moo app, is it? How come it looks a little different? Let me search. Oh yes, I found it. Okay. No change. Yep. So good. Okay, guys. Are you looking at any interesting instrument? So just now, if you are with me for the past maybe 30 minutes or so, I have already scanned through all the instruments, and there are a few that I really like. So Tesla gone already. By the time I want to buy, it gave me a spike up already. Butter Cookie, UNH. Yes, UNH still the same thing, nothing changed. I'm still actually looking at 385 area. Yep. So maybe UNH, it'll come down here a little, break this low. After that, we should complete the A, B, C correction. From here, we can go up to 385. This is still my thoughts. Nothing changed unless UNH really comes all the way down, breaking below this low. Then my view will change. Yeah, but for now, everything looks good. Partly one of the reason is coming down, I guess, is because we have a gap up. So usually after a gap up, the market tends to pull back a little first. June 20, bro, right now you still have, okay lah, you still have 3 weeks. I think 3 weeks should be fine, Yeah, it should be more than enough time. So maybe left with the last 1 week or something, you try to close it off. If not, your profit will be quite small though. Okay, right now, I'm interested in Tesla, but Tesla is moving up a little already. So last week, there was like this news about tariff on the Europe for the 50% tariff on Europe, which actually cost me when Tesla came into this zone. I didn't buy. Usually, I will always buy, and right now should be in pretty good profits already. So I was being a bit more careful last week. And for NVIDIA, it broke out of the trend line, but tomorrow after market close, we have earnings for NVIDIA. So if you don't have any positions in NVIDIA like me, buying right now will be speculation because it can actually go either direction, at least maybe about 10% to 15% around that range. Yep, so be careful, guys. I'm not too sure it will go up or go down, but likely I think it will go up. Yeah, I'm actually looking to buy NVIDIA, but I'm actually using a very, very small size, maybe about 0.3% or something. Of course, these are all speculation. So if you're up for the risk, go ahead. If you're not, wait for the earnings. After the earnings, wait for maybe a week or two. From there, you can start buying again. Okay, I'm thinking whether should I buy Amazon. Still on my watch list. Previously, I exited at about 210, which is 210 around here. So this area, I exit already. And right now, I'm actually looking to buy Amazon again. Nothing changed for me. It's extremely beautiful. Meta, the same thing. All the mega tech stock, they are basically doing the same structure, the same feel and everything. So right now you can see SPY, right? The overall market, actually Friday we close here. So we actually have a gap up. So after this gap up, the reason I didn't actually buy a lot of instruments is because I think it will just go sideways for maybe at least a few hours or today. Because tomorrow we have NVIDIA's earnings, right? I think after NVIDIA's earnings, the market will really, really move. So from here, we might get more upside again. What did I look at already? Apple, no opportunity for me. Google looking extremely good. I still have positions in Google. So if you just look under my face, you can see the positions that I'm actually holding. So just now I just bought AMD, right? So AMD will be added into the list from tomorrow's live stream. Yeah, right now I think I can't add it. Even if I can add, I don't think it will be reflected. Okay, what else can I look at? Wow, Netflix is just really so strong. Okay, same thing, Palantir, I still love it. I'm thinking whether should I add or not. It actually looks amazing though. I think I will add right now, but my stop loss maybe 121. Yep, I think I will add into Palantir. Let me see whether I have positions. Oh, I still have positions. I have 50% from the initial positions. So right now I might add into it. Yep. Let me see. Okay, we have time. We definitely have time. Right now is It's about 25 into market open. Definitely we have time. Just wait for a little bit more before I start buying Palantir again. Okay, we have time. The only thing that I don't really like about Palantir is because if you look over here, this is actually the lowest point it came. And right now, this structure itself, it looks like a three-wave correction. So this might be a, this might be a B, we might be coming down for C. This is something you have to keep in mind if you want to buy Palantir. Hello, ALVV. Hello, friend. Nice to see you again. Okay, right now I'm actually looking to add into Palantir. It's looking amazing. It's looking amazing. Just that the stop loss is a little bit wider this time around. So I might put my stop at 122. I think I can add into Palantir. Okay, I will take a look first. See how much can I buy. Okay, well, let's try 1002. Okay, 1002 looks realistic. I will add into Palantir. I will set a buy limit. Oh, is it? Oh no. Did I press wrongly? Let me double confirm. Nope, it's alright. Okay, I will add into Palantir. Okay guys, because I also created a new board, so I'm also quite confused. I just completed it like maybe just before market open, roughly about 8 plus or something. So I'm actually figuring out like how do I use it. Okay. Looks okay. The board looks okay. Okay, bro, I just bought AMD just now at when it came back to retest this trend line. I bought at 113. My stop loss is 110. So in slight profit right now, but of course nothing amazing. Other than that, I wanted to buy Tesla, but by the time I see Tesla is spike up already. Yeah, so I will give it a miss. But of course, our Tesla is a bit wasted because last week I've been talking about this zone that I want to buy for Tesla. It went into the zone, but I was being conservative because Donald Trump announced the 50% tariff on the Europe. Yep, so I thought the market might plunge even further and this zone won't hold. But of course, over the weekend or yesterday, Trump suddenly says that he wants to pause the tariff, the Europe tariff for another, don't know how many days, all the way until 9th of July. So he flipped prata again, and today we see a gap up in the market. Yep. So as him for the US president, you are going to see a lot of this type of movement. There will be a lot of gap up and gap down. So everything will be news driven by this one person only. Amazing person. Yeah, so Tesla, I think I give it a miss. It's a bit far away. So my risk reward is not amazing. It's not amazing. So I will not take it. But I think I will take Amazon as well as of right now. The market looks like it's more, stable already. Although we have a gap up, I don't think the market will come all the way to fill this gap before we start the upside. Yeah. So definitely I will buy Amazon right now. The market is more, relax, not too erratic or something like that. Yep, I will buy. I'll just place my stop loss. Okay, for this I can widen a little bit, 199. Okay, let me send to my group for Amazon also. Yeah, so I created a new board and I'm still pretty new to the board and not too sure like how because I just started using today, it's totally brand new. So I need a little bit of time for me to key in everything or that. It's not like my previous board, I can use it like extremely fast. Okay, so I will enter right now. Okay, stop loss just nice 199, correct? Okay, how about the TP? TP likely I will target here about 225. Just set at 225 first. Okay, is it sending anything in? Let me see. Right? Why is it not sending anything? Oh, it's sending, yes. Okay, nice, nice. Okay, I just created a really new board, and this board is, I can say, is amazing, amazing. I can show it to you. Okay, let me see. Okay, I can show it to you. One moment. Okay, let me just censor some things first. Okay, so guys, over here is a very new board. It's very different from my other boards. Then from here you can see like there's a ticker. So when you click on this link, it will brings you to like trading view and everything. Then after I have like this tracker. This tracker is the most amazing thing. So you can see over here, I have like this area where it talks about options, and then the top is all about all my holdings positions. So from here, if you look at it, there's like this parent trade ID. So just now I just opened Amazon, right? So if you click on this ID, you click on it, it will brings you back to where I initially started the trade. Yeah, so you don't have to search up and down through Discord to find like where are all my entries, my take profit, my targets, all that. But of course, this tracker itself is also amazing because there will be additional like 2 more links. So if I shift my stop loss or take profit, it will also give you a trackable link over here. So if I take partial profits, there's also another link. So you can just click on the link, it will brings you back to where it all started. And so like AMD, you can click. After that, it brings you back again. Yeah, it will show you exactly where I buy, what I do to the positions, and everything is a brand new bot. Okay, so I entered Amazon and it's moving already. Nice. So right now, another one that I'm actually interested in is Meta. Meta, something to look at. Yeah, just that because I just started using the new bot today. I need a little bit of time for me to key the entries and everything. The Meta is amazing. Let me see. Meta. Can I? Okay, I can buy Meta as well. Sorry guys, if you type anything, I might have missed your message. Okay, ALV Tan. Any trades? Yes, I took what did I take? AMD, Amazon, and right now I'm going to take Meta. Yep, I'm loving it. Yep. Meta definitely amazing. So let me pull all the triggers so that my group will know what I'm actually taking. Okay, Meta take profit about 710. Stop loss. Stop loss same thing about 6 to. Oh, it's a huge stop loss though. Okay, but we got no choice because we have a gap pump. So 624 can. One moment, guys. After I buy everything, I will respond to the message again. What's my take profit? I forget my take profit again. I'm a very forgetful guy. Okay, this looks good. Okay, how much am I losing? Okay, 260 is fine. Okay, can. Then let me take a look. Take profit around maybe 710. Okay, can try this 710. Okay, I think I entered from here will be better. Meta. Same thing. What? Okay, the stop loss is 624. Okay, 710. Nice. Okay, just waiting for everything to run. Okay, my account is triggered. Yep, they have also received the message. Yes, nice. It's okay. Kepala, is swing trading good? Yes, definitely good. Fantastic. I love swing trading more than anything. Even when I try to do day trading, all that, I convert them to a swing trade. I rarely get in and out within the same day. Yep. Okay, Chiwei Tang Meta buy. Yes, I bought Meta already. My group already received the message. I think it's looking pretty nice. Yep, so definitely Meta is a good buy. Okay, did I miss any message? Because today I'm actually a little bit slow. Okay, ALVV, what's your play today? Okay, AMD, Amazon, Meta, Tesla, Palantir. Yep, so these are the few trades I have. Palantir I didn't enter, but because I already have like 50 positions, 50% more positions in them. So if you want, of course you can enter Palantir. I think it should be able to fire off from here. It's actually looking quite good. But the only thing, my only concern for Palantir is this is actually the low. So this whole wave coming down might be your A wave. This going up can be your B wave, and we might have one more wave coming down for C wave, which is the very reason why I didn't add into Palantir. Instead, I bought like AMD, Meta, all that, but not Palantir. Yes, of course, I do have a existing position in Palantir. So I'm not too worried if these were to come here or even Palantir fire off from here, because I still have positions. Yep, and entering at here, I think it's worth the risk. Seriously, I think it's worth the risk. Then just place your stop loss maybe about 1, 2, 3 area. Yep, I don't think Palantir will come down to fill this gap over here before it starts to go up. Of course, it can actually come down and fill this gap. From here, you see you want to widen up your stop loss a bit from maybe 1, 2, 3 to maybe 1, 2, 1, additional $2 more. Yep, so you're expanding your risk. Maybe if you risk 0.5%, maybe you expand a little bit more by 0.3 to 0.4. Yeah, but I think overall it's still manageable. Yep, AMD is amazing. Okay, I'm actually looking for AMD to go. Yep, the reason is if you just look at the daily chart, right? AMD has been in this consolidation since I think March or April 24. Yes, March. Yeah, March is actually over here, and we have this like sloping down trend line. Yep. And right now, although it doesn't looks like it over here, it looks like there's a distance to the trend line, right? But then if you drop down to the 4 hours, 1 hour, it's not, because there's some issues with trading views chart. So I can show it to you. Right now we can go down to maybe 4 hours. 4 hours, if you just look over here, we are consolidating right under the major trend line. Yep. And right now it looks like it's going to break out. So this breakout itself, I believe this major resistance trend line will be broke. Then after that, from here, then we will start to see some pullback, maybe retest the trend line again, then we start more upside. Something like that, Yeah. I don't think from here you'll just come to, like, let me just delete this. I don't think from here the price will just come here. After that, it will start consolidate here. I don't think so. That's why I bought AMD again. Guys, you're looking at anything or not? Yeah, right now I'm very a little bit confused, especially using two different platforms, which is very, very different from my previous board. Because my previous board it links really fast, but the downside is that it doesn't allow them to it's quite messy in the Discord group chat, because after I send it in already, then they will they have to use the search button in Discord to actually search for where I initially opened the trade. So I created a new one. This one there will be a lot of like clickable links, which is amazing. So I just started using it today. I have been waiting for the market to open before I can pull a trigger. Okay, Chi Wei Tang. Yes, that's the thing about NVIDIA. I'm not too sure whether just now you are here or not. I said that if you want, you can buy NVIDIA. If you don't have any positions, you can buy right now. Of course, because tomorrow after market close, right, is actually the earnings. And during earnings, NVIDIA can either go up, either direction, up or down, at least maybe about 10 to 15%. So if you don't have positions and you enter right now, you have to, of course, keep in mind that these are all speculation, because nobody knows whether the earnings will be good or bad. Even if it's good, market still can tank, because maybe guidance is not good or something. But if the earnings is bad, but guidance is good, it will still fly up. So vice versa. Yeah, you have to just keep in mind, if you can tank 10% to 15% in either direction, take the trade now. But for me, because I'm actually doing trading, I don't see a point to expose my risk, although I feel like buying, but I didn't. Yeah, I also told my group that if they want to buy NVIDIA today, just take a very, very small risk. Okay, Tan Tan Professional. Thank you. Tan Tan, I'm not a coder or a developer. I use Perplexity, like something like ChatGPT, to help me to script up the whole thing. Yeah, initially when I started, there was only like 300 lines of code, and right now there's 7,000 plus code already. So I'm going to convert it into a functional app like our brokerage app. Yeah, so from there I pull all the triggers. It will links both ways to Discord and to my account. Then after, it will actually, it's a two-way sync. So from my account, it will sync back to this bot will sync back to Discord. Then whatever Discord, the new message in Discord, the links, all that will send back to my bot again. So from there, this is how it actually do the two-way link. Yeah, so right now I'm very happy. The bot is simply amazing. Yeah, I can show it to you again. Yeah, so if you look over here, you can see these are some of the positions that I have. Yeah, let's say for Meta, I just enter, right? So there's this link over here. You just click. You click on the link. It brings you back to the very first message that's being sent out. So you can see all my entries, my stop loss, and my take profit. Then after, if you go back, you can test on Amazon as well. So if you click on Amazon, it will actually brings you back to Amazon also. There's a duplicate over here. Hold on, I have to delete this. There's a duplicate message. Okay, done. Yep, so if you click on Amazon, it brings you back to Amazon. It's amazing. Something like that. Okay, how about Coinbase? Coinbase. Let me see. Coinbase definitely looks more upside, but let me take a look at Bitcoin and see whether Bitcoin is going up. So definitely, I think Coinbase will go up as well. Yep, looks good. Looks good. Definitely looks good for more upside. Are you in coin or something? I've not traded coin for a while already. Yeah, market is good today, guys. Everything is in green already. That's fast. Yeah. So, guys, from last week or the last 2 weeks since I started live streaming all that, if you have been patient, you have been with me, you will know that I have been a bit more patient after I gotten out of my positions because I also don't know whether like news such as like the tariff all that will come out, but definitely the market needs a pullback, and the pullbacks looks like is officially done already. Yep. Remember since last week I have been talking about this 576 area. So market actually pulls back all the way to 576, which coincides with all the technicals, indicators and everything. From here, market starts to go up already, and it's just good. Yeah. Okay, user, what stocks do you recommend beginners to buy? If you're totally new, I would say just buy VOO. VOO is like the ETF of S&P 500, something like that. Then you don't have to pick any stocks to buy. So basically, you're just investing in the top 500 companies in US. And every 3 months, they will actually do a rebalancing. So those underperforming stocks, they will be reshuffled out of the S&P 500, and those stronger performing ones that are not in S&P 500 will be added in. Yep. So you don't have to choose any stocks to buy. But of course, if you can, yes, VOO. Yes, correct. That's like the no-brainer thing. As long as you have money, you can just buy as and when you want. But of course, if you want a more precise entry, you want to learn about the market or that, starts with like trading basics, such as you just go to YouTube, just type stocks trading beginners. There will be a lot of videos for at least an hour to 3 hours or so. So they will teach you everything that you need to know to get started. Yeah, from there you can identify like good entries, when's the market going to pull back and everything. From there, right, even if you buy VO, you'll be making more money than anyhow hantam. Like when you have money, you just put. Yeah, if you can identify all those pullbacks, it will be extremely good for you. Which app can I use to buy? You can choose any broker that you like, but for me, I use Interactive Broker. You can use Momo, you can use Weibo, all that. But of course, you have to go and check. Yep, check the regulation, all that. Does it fulfill your criteria and everything? Is there like any protections? Yeah, from there, then of course, you can start buying VO. It's a no-brainer thing, really. As long as you have money, you can invest in long term. You have a very, very long-term vision, like at least 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, buy VO. But if you want to do something like in and out to capitalize on a huge movement, and then you make money, after that you get out and wait for the next opportunity, you need to learn trading, not investing. Investing is buy and hold. Yeah, it's a very, very easy thing. You have money, just buy VOO. Okay, NVIDIA also going. Yeah, too bad for me. I'm not in. Yeah, although I have 1 day for me to play with, but for me, it's not worth the risk. So I give NVIDIA a skip. Instead, I bought AMD instead. But of course, AMD is exactly the same thing. If NVIDIA, after earnings, it gaps down, right? AMD, I think likely there will also be a small gap down. Is investing easier to earn? Okay, both. There's pros and cons. Okay, if you're investing in VOO, don't expect like 100% or 50% return on investment every single year. Okay, VOO averagely for the past 15 years give you roughly about 15% returns. For the past 100 years, it gives you averagely 10% per returns per year. But of course, they are counting the average for the past 100 years and 15 years. So there will be years, it will be maybe negative or positive, but if you can hold for 10 years or so, it should be averagely about 10%. For trading, investing and trading both have their own difficult parts. So let's say if you invest in stocks or something, right? Of course, if the fundamental of the company change or something, you definitely don't hold it anymore. Okay, buying investment doesn't mean that you hold for super long and don't really care about it. Of course, you have to monitor, you have to check the fundamentals, you have to follow up with the news and everything, because if there's a fundamental change in the company, you might want to exit the company. Like Warren Buffett, even he's an investor, he doesn't hold stocks for 10 years, 20 years or forever, that kind. He does buy at good price. After that, he exit at a good price as well. From there, he reassess and then he re-enters again. Same thing for trading. Trading is just a bit faster. It's more fast-paced. But of course, for me, because I'm doing swing trading, so it's more like you hold the positions for a few days to a few weeks or max about 2-3 months, and then you let it go. Easier to earn, I would say trading is more easy to make money than investing, because investing, I do notice a lot of investors, they don't normally use technical indicators. So I have these very simple 3 basic rules. So you want to know like which stocks to buy, you look at fundamentals. Okay, you want to know when to be aggressive, when to be defensive. Okay, look at macroeconomics like your tariff policy, interest rate policy, all that. And thirdly, where to buy, when to buy and when to sell, like where to enter, when to exit. Look at technicals. Simple as that. Which is easier to learn? I will tell you, trading is easier to learn. Okay, fundamentals, you have to look at, financial statements, balance sheets, all that. But if you want something that's actionable, you can do it like within the next few months. Technical analysis. With technical, you don't really have to, understand the fundamental of the company, because as long as you are trading those, companies that are listed in the S&P 500, they normally don't go bankrupt or, the stocks just suddenly disappear overnight. So you're pretty safe. You're just doing movement like this. Let me just show it to you. So let's say for Apple, right? I can show you this part. It's quite easy. So you can see a very big move going up, right? So you are looking to, catch move like this. So once you have a big move going up, once it starts to pull back meaning to say it goes sideways, and it's not going anywhere. So that's when you get out. And when you get out already, you prepared again. You prepare and wait for the next, after you see it goes sideways for a while, it gives you another huge move going up. So for trading, you're just catching all this move. After that, you get out, secure profit, get out, wait again. Okay? But for investing, you have to have a longer term vision in them. Of course, for me, I would say don't restrict yourself. Learn whatever you can. But if you want something fast that you can start right away, learn technical analysis first. It's the easiest. Fundamental is going to take you a while, and if you follow YouTubers, influencers, or all that, everyone will have their own different opinions on the fundamentals of certain stocks. Sometimes when you come to investing, you have to learn to take a loss. There's no 100% win rate. Even Warren Buffett, he took a loss. Sometimes there's no 100% win rate. As long as you can win at least 50% and above, you are doing well. You'll be doing well, because you are using risk to reward ratio in the sense that you are using probabilities of making more than losing. Okay, what I mean is that let's say for example, if you enter a trade, right? Let's say if you are willing to risk or lose one, you are trying to make at least two or three. Yeah, so as long as you have a win rate about 50%, you're good. Even 40%, you can make money. It all depends on yourself. If it all depends on, I would say start with something that is not your emergency funds. So this money, you're not going to, use it for the next 6 months to 1 year. Yeah, then that will be your starting amount. And that starting amount, you have to ask yourself how much you are willing to lose. So if you are willing to lose 30%, 50% of it, okay, for a start, you have to learn how to trade first, okay? After you do paper trade. So paper trade, you're making money already, you come into live. Live, right? That's when you need to tell yourself how much you're willing to lose. If you're willing to lose 30%, then from there, you take very, very small risks. Like me, for myself, most of the time, each position, I risk about 0.5% to 1% of my account. So from there, if you accumulate all the way up to maybe 20%, 30% of your account and you're in the loss, from there you stop trading live, go back to paper trading again. Then after that, reassess everything, because live trading and paper trading is both different things. Paper trading, there's no emotions. When you do live trading, there will be emotions because it's your own hard-earned money. And so sometimes you take a loss or that. For a start, a beginner trader, you might feel hurt or something, Yeah, then maybe you can't sleep, you keep looking, micromanage your positions, or that even if like I'm right here doing live with you, you don't see me picking up my phone, checking my positions all the time because I'm so used to, the figures and everything. I know once I entered, I've already defined my risk, and as a trader or even investors, the amount that you put in is your risk already. You can only define that. The market want to go up or down, you won't know. Even the only one person that will know is God. God will know whether it will goes up or goes down. Nobody in this world will know whether it goes up or goes down, or whatever you are doing is based on probabilities of winning more than you lose. Are you a full-time trader? Guys, I get this question every single week. Okay, XXX. If you just spend 1 hour a day and you're making good money in the market and you're showing up every single day, you're doing what a trader needs to do, but you only spend 1 hour a day. Is that considered full-time to you? Or I have to sit here, from market open until market close, then I consider a full-time trader? Yeah, this one you have to answer yourself. But of course, because trading, like you do swing trading, position trading, all that, it doesn't take a lot of time. Like right now, you can see we are almost 1 hour in. The market, is more or less dead already. There's not a lot of movement. Most of the movement is gone already. You don't see like huge candles or that. Yeah, you don't see that anymore. So from here, if you have already, entered the position, define your risk already, you can just let it go. Yeah, maybe in the next few hours it will go, or maybe tomorrow or another day or two, it will start to move. From there, you will know whether you are making money or you are taking a loss. So for me, is that if you can spend 1 hour a day, but you are making money, I think this is considered as a full-time trader. But of course, if you can spend 1 hour a day, don't restrict yourself, man. Go and do some other things. Daytime you can do your business. You can do some side gigs or something like that. Don't restrict yourself, my friends. Even you see, I'm actually running my group. I'm doing live trading here. I'm doing live stream. I'm doing my business and everything. It's not overwhelming at all. Yeah, even I'm not a coder or developer. I make my own bot from lines of only a script of 300 lines. Right now, I make it into around 7,000. And it's functioning extremely well. I paid someone 18,000 Sing to actually get it done for me, my previous bot. It was good for a while, but right now there's a lot of issues or that. So, and there's no like trackable functions or something like that. So I decided to, just dump the whole bot, and I started with a new one by myself with the help of like ChatGPT. Okay, thank you for liking the live stream, and thank you for the follows. Any tips for beginners before starting? Just go to YouTube. YouTube, you learn the basics of trading first. Stocks trading, forex trading, as long as you are looking at trading, the technical analysis part, right, it can be applied anywhere. Even you go and trade, bitcoins, forex, and everything, it can be applied. Yeah, reading, charts like this will be easier than looking at financial statements, looking at fundamentals of the company or macroeconomics. Fundamentals and macroeconomics, you will need a little bit more time than technicals. Yeah, for the time being, just follow those US stocks news. Every day, like just follow those mega tech stock like Nvidia, Google, Facebook, Netflix, something like that. So see what are the news coming out from them, read a little here and there. After a while, you will start to understand like how this whole thing actually works. You will definitely need some time. I would say for the news, macroeconomics and fundamentals, you might need a year or two to be at least at a proficient level. But of course, for technicals, I think it's the fastest. If you're hardworking, maybe 3 months or 6 months later, you should be pretty good already. But of course, if you like, you can follow me. My course will be ready in 1.5 months time. Okay, same thing, I will rush it out. But of course, I want everything, whatever I know, to be implemented into the course. So if there's any extension or delay or something, I will definitely announce again. Yeah, I want to look at PayPal. Okay, PayPal. PayPal. Just now it was good. It was good, but it didn't. Yep, it didn't came to my ideal entry level. My ideal entry is actually at $70. I set an alarm over here, so you can see from here. I have an alarm. I wanted to buy for it to go up more, but instead, from here, it gap down a little bit. It went out a little bit after. Right now it's going up already. So no more PayPal for me. Is VO the easiest to invest? Yes. Like I told you, VO, it consists of the top 500 companies in one index. So you don't have to guess or, go and pick what stocks to buy or what companies to buy. The index itself will help you to reshuffle and rebalance the portfolio every 3 months. So you will always get the top 500 best performing companies in the US inside the index. Yeah, so you don't have to think. Yeah, for a start, if you want to invest, that's the way to go. It's really a no-brainer thing. As long as you have money, just buy, hold it for 10 years, 20 years, you should be good. You should be able to make more money than any like those what endowment plans or something out there. Yeah, like my friends, they are like some of them, they are the financial advisor, is it, or something like insurance agents. They don't sell me all these products because they also know that I invest in VO, and averagely it's about 10%. So yep, none of their plans can match 10% a year. For me, I invested in VO roughly about 7 years ago. So right now my highest return is about 130%. Yep, so 7 years, if you divide 130 by 7, 130 divided by 7 is about 18% annually. But of course, this is not a realistic performance because it's only for 7 years. But of course, if you look at the historical data, right, you just do a Google search, S&P 500, 100 years average returns. They will tell you 10% per year. Yeah, so that's like the minimum or a benchmark for you to see. Okay, CRM is beautiful. Okay, let's set the alert on CRM. Wow, nice, nice, nice. I'm actually interested in CRM as well. This is looking amazing. Okay, I set the alert on CRM already, so maybe I want to write down somewhere as well. Okay, let me write down somewhere so I won't forget CRM. What else do I like? I think SMCI. SMCI a little bit gone already. But of course, if you still have the funds, SMCI is one of the good one to look at. Maybe you can look into buying them. I have positions in Palantir already. Should I add? Okay, no worries. I will just put it down first. We have time. No rush. Palantir. What else? How about Microsoft? No. Google. I have positions in Google is doing well. Amazon I just bought not long ago. Okay, wait. Let me check my Amazon. Did it get triggered or not? Oh, yes. Yes, it's triggered. Nice, 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 nice. Nice. Okay, fantastic, guy. Fantastic. Okay, yeah, because I like to use buy limit. That's, the reason is because once it's triggered already, you also send it to the group chat rather than market order. What else do I like? Okay, I bought AMD. Bought already. How about Nvidia? Nvidia, I've skipped it because there's earnings after market close tomorrow. Tesla is gone already. What else? What do I like? Okay, let's take a look at AMAT. Okay. You can draw a trend line here, but it's actually rather steep though. How about TSM? Okay, no. Oracle, okay, it's moving already. Okay, it's moving a little. Guys, those over in live stream, are you actually looking at any particular instrument? Or did I miss out a lot of comments today? Let me check the comments. I don't think I missed out anything, right? Yeah, but I don't think so. shit. I forget to check another side. Eh? Oh, no, I don't have to check. Yes, correct. Okay. Oh, CRM is nice, huh? It looks like it's going to rocket off or something like that. Your CRM definitely can wait for a little bit because we actually broke below this zone. We also closed below already. So right now for CRM, if we have a small consolidation here, I will look to buy CRM. Yeah, I've been talking about this since last week and definitely on my watch list. Maybe I also can set the alert. Okay, since it's going up like this, maybe I will set one more alert at around 274.5. See whether it comes back or not. Yeah, if CRN does come back to just now, the figure is what? What's the figure again? 274.5. I might try to find an entry around the area. Nope, gone. Oh, UAL, oh shit. I totally forgotten about this. I wanted to diversify my portfolio a little to prevent myself from buying too much tech stocks. I talk about UAL all the time, but my god, I didn't buy UAL. UAL is a nice one. It's really a nice one. ACCL is also moving. LMD. Okay, this is actually breaking out of a structure rather than a bull flag or something, but it looks great. Super amazing. Yep. LMMND. Lemonade might start to fire off from here. What else is there? Sophie nothing. Oh, Snow is nice. Okay, right now I'm actually looking at some small and mid cap stocks. But all the small and mid cap stocks, they have been going for a while. So nothing for me. Yeah, likely no. Yeah, no opportunities here. TTD. Wait, this is nice. TTD. Okay. But is this a little bit small, for the correction? Let me see on the 1 hour. Okay, although on the 1 hour, it looks like it's going to fire off. But because we have this huge move going up, I'm not too sure whether is this correction done already or not. But of course, right now everything for TTD is looking fantastic. So if you like, you can buy here. Just place a conservative stop loss, maybe about 73.5 around here. So you are risking about $2. $2 potentially. This can go quite high though. Let's see. Let's go to daily. Yeah, daily maybe easily can go to about $92, $93 shouldn't be an issue. Oh, Spice going. Let's go, Spy. Let's go. We have been patient already since last week. So right now it's time for everything to go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's make some good money for maybe the next 1 week to 2 weeks again. Okay, as long as our Mr. Donald Trump don't flip prata. Okay, don't suddenly change his mind and say that he wants to implement tariff here and there again. That's when we start to see the market plunge again. Okay, amazing. Hey guys, I'm always like this. I will speed scrolling through all my charts because I know exactly what I want to find. And so I won't, spend a long time on the charts. So if as and when if you see something that you want to inquire about or you want to ask or you have some instruments you want me to take a look for you, feel free to ask. Yeah, I can the moment the chart is loaded already, within maybe the next 2 or 3 seconds, I already know whether there's any opportunities or not. Yeah, so you can stop me anytime. Okay, I didn't add to Palantir, which might be a good sign. Because Palantir, yeah, I'm still can't really tell whether it will come down here to complete, breaking below this low to complete the C wave before going up. NQ and ES. Nasdaq, is it? NQ should be a Nasdaq, am I right? Yes, correct. Okay. Bro, can I take a look at QQQ for you? It's basically the same thing. Yeah, I don't trade futures, but I can take a look at QQQ. It's basically just the same thing. Yeah, I'm actually looking for more upside. Jin. Yes, I'm actually looking for more upside in both QQQ and VOO or even SPY. The overall market more upside. Yeah, but because since last week, I have been talking about this 576 support area. And so right now, last week it actually came to 576, and right now I'm actually looking for more upside. Yeah, it fulfills all my criteria already. Yeah, so if you trade futures, I'm not too sure how it works, but I think direction overall should be the same. Yeah, I think futures, the way you buy instruments is like 0.01, 0.1, something like that, right? Yeah, I trade stocks and stocks options. Sometimes a little bit Bitcoins, but no Forex, no gold, no commodities. Just stocks and stocks options. Just now you mentioned one more ticker symbol, right? What was it? ES. ES should be S&P if I'm not wrong. Let's see. Yes, S&P. Yeah, so yep, just now I took a look, take a look for you. Right now we are actually at SPY. So it's same thing, definitely up. Swing trade or day trade? I do both, but I prefer swing trade more. A little bit of, position trade. But of course, I do day trade. My day trade usually is, my day trading style is very different. I only day trade when I see the potential that I can convert it into a swing trade. If I can't, normally I will not day trade that day. Yeah, because I'm actually looking for, risking very small amount or very small risk, and then I let the whole thing run. And, I'm looking for, moves like this, like a big move. So from a day trade, day trade usually your stop loss is very small, right? Yeah, so with a very small stop loss, and if you can turn into a swing trade to capitalize on all this, brother, you're making good money, man. Yeah, don't let it go. Yeah, this is what I'm always looking out for. So my day trading style is quite different. Like right now, you see market, even the ES and NQ, they are all going up. If you're a day trader, I think if you took roughly about 9:30 right now, you should more or less be prepared to actually book your profit already. correct? Yeah, for me, if I took at 9:30, I will not book my profit. I will convert it into a swing trade. But of course, before converting all that, I would try to secure a little bit of partial profit. So in case, because I'm actually converting, right? So in case it will come back, take me out for break even before it starts going again. Okay, me pork chili, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, I will be doing this live streaming every day as long as the market is open. Yeah, for maybe an hour or two. Then that's it. The overall market definitely looks like the strength for upside. Definitely good. But of course, the market is moving up a lot, but the Magnificent Seven, so only. Okay, let's take a look at FinVis. And we can see what are the movers today. Okay, let me refresh this first because every single time it needs a refresh. If not, it's not accurate. Yep. So overall, today market you can see it's extremely green. There's only a few outliers which are red. Yeah, but from here you can tell easily about 80-90% is in the green. Yep, amazing. Nvidia and Oracle moved the most today. Yep, the top two. Tesla also. Tesla 5% today. Simply amazing, guys. Hi, why didn't I buy Tesla? I wanted to buy, but when I came back to the chart, it was too late already. I was just talking about it over here, this area. And if you came to live stream last week, I was talking about this area. So if you're someone who bought here, congratulations, man. You're making good money, but I didn't because of the tariff news on Europe. Yeah, I skip it and right now market is, it went up a bit, but of course today I add into my positions. But of course right now under my face, you can't see all the new positions. That one I have to manually add in myself. But of course, if you come to live stream tomorrow, you will see all the new positions that are actually being added. Yeah, like I took AMD. So I took AMD when it came to retest the trend line. Yeah, right at this part. Right now it is in slight profit, but of course nothing amazing. AMD I think likely will move after Nvidia's earnings. I also took Amazon today, also in slight profit. Did I take Meta? I can't remember. Let me check. Yes, I took Meta as well. Still around break-even level. Google, I have positions in Google, so nothing to worry over here. Microsoft, you just keep doing what Microsoft does. It's just so strong. I got no opportunity to enter Microsoft after I exit quite a while ago. Today I took CR small cap. I entered healthcare, DHC. Oh, DHC? Tan, where do you find all these stocks? These are the stocks that I have not seen it before. Where do you find all this? DHS looks okay. This one looks okay. What else? CDXS. Okay. Okay. Can. Seems like you are making money in both DHC and CDXS. Yeah, at least a little bit. The market looks strong today. You took CrowdStrike also. CrowdStrike, wow, nice. Fantastic, brother. Fantastic. Oh, crowd move a lot, huh, today? How many percent today? So since the market closed here all the way up, and including the gap up, 4% already. Nice. Nice. CrowdStrike, fantastic, brother. You're making money. Yeah, I think we will have this rally for another week or two before the momentum die out again. Yes, CrowdStrike has been always a very, very strong stock. Correct. Yeah, I have been trading it quite a lot. If you look at my chart, all the way until here about 2023 area, I keep trading it. It's fantastic. This stock can really move. Nice. Good for you. Good for you. Yeah, me always the same thing. I look at those stocks that I normally look at. I'm just looking for opportunities in them. But this month still not bad. This month, let me see how much I'm up already. Okay, because there's some pullbacks here and there, so I also gave back a little bit of profit. How do I check? Let me see. Hey, not bad. This month still about 15% plus. Not bad. Last month was good. Last month was about 20%. This month 15%. The months before that I forget already. But I know the first 2 months was also good. A total of roughly about, I think 20 over percent, 30% around there. But after that, the end March to start April, it was not great anymore. Yeah, very good result. I think this year I performed quite well as well. I think comparable to last year and the previous year. Yeah, around there. Well, I'm also sleepy already since I think last week. Also, I have been making that trading board for so many days. I think at least about, today is Tuesday, right? I think at least about 6 days already. 5 or 6 full days. I stopped everything. My business, I just call my partner. And you handle everything. I'm busy. From morning, I do until night. Morning, until night. I have not given myself any rest just to make it work. But finally, before market open, I pushed through everything. Okay, Palantir, like no strength. Palantir definitely wait for a little bit. I also didn't buy. Tomorrow, let's see again. If we have opportunity, we can try to buy Palantir. I will add on into my position. But Nvidia, after earnings, I think then we see what to do with it. Nvidia, although it actually came into, this box over here, but because of the Europe 50% tariff news, I was being conservative. I didn't do anything. And right now, it gap up over here. And tomorrow we have earnings after market close. So that's the thing. Nvidia can go either direction, at least about 10 to 15% around there. So if you are okay with the risk, definitely can look to maybe enter Nvidia a small size or something like that. But for me, nope, I'm just staying out until the whole news is over. So after the news, I wait for a few days to up to about 2 weeks. Once it's more settled down, I will start to buy Nvidia again. Apple is quite disappointing. Although there are some good news about Apple, I think JP Morgan or something said like even if Trump's tried to increase Apple's tariff by 25% or something like that, it will still be cheaper and more cost effective for them to do their iPhones in India. So it's something good. But of course, Donald Trump is not going to let go of this thing. Maybe after, his people get back to him and tell him that you have to increase to 50%, then maybe Apple will get affected. That's when maybe Apple, will start to tank again. But as of right now, for the past, how long already? From start of May until now, 3 weeks. 3 weeks we have been in this consolidation. It might be done soon. Apple might start going up. But of course, be more careful because Trump likes to target Apple a lot. Okay, let me check where's the lowest point over here. Okay, this is 193.25. This is much lower, so it's good. Okay, so this second part over here, this is actually lower, which is something that I like. So we have already done impulse going up. No, not here. We have done an impulse going up. This is your three-way correction. From here, definitely Apple maybe can start going up. What about Amazon? What you want to know about Amazon? Come, ask. Amazon is fantastic. I love Amazon. Amazon, Nvidia, and Palantir. You will always hear me talking about these three because it has been giving me the highest profit. The potential is high, and every single time when it starts to go, I will see my account like, the percentage jump is like day after day is crazy. It's more than all the other positions that I'm actually buying. What does the chart says about Amazon? Oh, you want to know my view? Definitely, I'm actually looking for more upside. So since 1 or 2 weeks ago, if you came to, I think you didn't come to the live stream, right? Or if you did, you should know that I have this zone, which I'm actually looking to buy Amazon at $200. But of course, at that point of time, I didn't. I think because of, last Friday. So if you look inside this zone, last Friday, which is the low over here, we have this news about the Europe tariff. So Trump increased their tariff by 50%, and the whole market plunged. Yeah, I wanted to buy, but of course I didn't pull the trigger. So I just bought, I think about 9:30 just now when market opened. Right now it's actually in profit. Yeah, I have been waiting for this breakout trade. Yeah, I told since last week I told everyone I'm not going to take the sniper entry. I'm going to take the breakout trade, which I did today. So I just bought only, and I'm looking for more upside. But my target area, let me see again. Where's my target? Okay, my target is roughly about, I think 225 around there. 220 to about 225. That's where maybe I will book some partial profits and let the remaining try for higher prices. And this is my thought on Amazon. Yeah, quite a while ago. I also don't remember where I bought Amazon. I think maybe somewhere here. What is this? Maybe somewhere here or here. I can't remember. I took off at 210. It was after a Monday gap up. Yeah, somewhere around here. I took off everything. So right now I buy in again. I have been patient for how long already? This is like 13th of May 27, roughly about 2 weeks. Yep, so these 2 weeks when I was doing live streaming, I keep telling everyone, be patient, my friends. We need to have a pullback before we get more upside. Apple. Yeah, Apple. Yep, yeah, it's looking great, but I have no setups for Apple. Let me check the 5 minutes. 5 minutes might be possible for a breakout trade. Yep, if you want to trade Apple, something to consider. Okay, I will set an alarm on Apple on this trend line on the 5 minutes chart. So if I get trigger, I might buy Apple as a day trade, and the low for today is here. So I will be very conservative. I'll place my stop roughly about 197.4 around there and see whether it will go or not. If this can go, I'll convert it into a swing trade. It will no longer be a day trade. Okay guys, thanks for the follow, thanks for the likes. I seriously appreciate it. Thank you so much. Yeah, Apple looking great, guys. Looking extremely great. Okay, this trend line pretty much useless. There's not really any point to actually put it on, but of course, just leave it there for now. What else can we look at? Okay, we look at Amazon already. We'll move on. Meta, I bought it. It's like at the same level. Yeah, market is slowing down already. There's like no more momentum for today. Okay, guys, if you still have any more questions, shoot your questions. If not, I'm going to end this live stream in roughly about 9 minutes time, 8 to 9 minutes around there. The market is, stagnant. It's not going anywhere after the spike up. Okay guys, if you still have any more questions, feel free to ask. Because I will be ending the live stream in about 8 to 9 minutes time. So 11:15 Singapore time, I'll be ending it. Okay? Yeah, I'm seriously drained already. Because I have been doing something for my group for the past maybe 5 or 6 days. So early morning, like 9 o'clock, I sit down in front of the computer. I've been coding all that. I'm not a coder or anything, but I've been scripting, coding until maybe 30 minutes before market open. I rest for 15 minutes. I come and do my live streaming. Yeah, for the, I think, past 6 days, 5 to 7 days around there. I can't really remember to get everything done, rush it out for my group. And so right now, after today it started working, I feel a bit more relief. And market is, the stock market is good. I just feel like sleeping. I just feel like resting. SMCI, okay, I have been talking about this, but of course, I missed the opportunity. Just now was a really, really good entry. So somewhere around 41.4 area, it can be a really good buy. But, yep, I miss it. Now, SMCI also has been mediocre, like after their financial risk news. From there, it's just chopped around here for a while. Not too sure it will, restore its former glory or not. Like over here, guys, you see, SMCI consolidate and then give you a super huge move up. I'm not too sure whether this will come back or not. This, if SMCI can keep going up, it might become the next Palantir. Should I buy or not? Let me see, where can I define my risk? Oh, no. The stop loss is, a little bit too big for my liking. If I buy now, the stop loss is about 40.8. I'm risking $2. $2 and where's my target? Let me see. Let me shift this away. My targets can be about $51 around there. Yeah, I'm not fantastic about. You're risking about $2 for potentially 1:3. Uh, yeah, this kind of distance, I will wait again. Maybe I wait for SMCI, to consolidate a little bit outside here. After that, I will start buying SMCI. But this risk reward for this huge move, this risk reward is not good. 1:3. But you see, from here, this current price to about 50 or $51, this is like 18% move. The lowest is $50 is about 17%, 17 to 18% move, and it's only giving 1:3 risk reward. Not worth it, brothers and sisters. Yep, wait for SMCI to consolidate here and start buying. And you can monitor this. We should have from today onwards, we should have another rally in the overall market, maybe for one or 2 weeks. After that, market should start to pull back again. Okay, good vibe. Thanks for the follow. Thank you. Love you. Okay, let me see. Okay, I bought a few positions already, and I'm a little bit, running out of margin. So I don't have. Okay, Momo 100% changed their interface a little. No wonder I keep looking at it like it feels, a bit off. But I can't really tell where is it. But definitely they did some update to their interface. Yeah, I can still buy maybe 1 or 2 more positions, and that's it for me. So I have to be a bit picky from now on. Okay, 2 more minutes to ending the live streaming. Any more questions, my friends? Yep, tonight I'm going to rest early. Give myself a pat on my back. Plantier. Come on, go up. Go up, Plantier. 可以 just 摊 took crowd strike. Amazing, he's making a lot of money here. Disney, wow, Disney is another super strong stock. It's just amazing. PayPal. It didn't give me what I want, although I love it. PayPal came into this zone. Right now, it gives us an impulse going up. So if you are interested in PayPal, wait for some sort of sideways move. After that, start looking for upside. Roku. Okay, nothing. OXY, nothing. CVX, nothing. UNH, nothing. Visa, nothing. CRM, something to consider. CVNA, anything? Nope. How about looks like it's going off again. Give it a miss. BNTX, BNTX has been pretty garbage since September last year. Yeah. Okay, give it a miss. Not worth the risk. This TikTok really likes to ask me to do verification just before I decided to end my live stream. Really? Okay, I'll do one last scan. If there's nothing, I'm going to sleep, my friends. Oh, UAL. Quite wasted. Let's see if we can get a pullback. Okay, I will set the alert somewhere in the middle of here. So if we can get a pullback roughly about 78.25, I might be interested to buy UAL. UAL, another one to consider. Okay, let me write down. Number 3, UAL. Okay, Affirm, nothing. Upstart, nothing. CCL. Oh, fire off already, nothing. LMMD, also going off already, nothing. PATH, nothing. RIVN, nothing. Sophie, nope. Snow, nope. Okay, guys, thank you so much for coming to the live stream. Thank you. I'm going to bed. I'm so sleepy already. I almost, I'm dying, my friends. Okay. I need a good rest. I have not been sleeping well and waking up very early to do the board. Yep. So I'm going to bed right now. Okay. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. See you.